Traffic signs are an important part of the way our roads work. They give important information and sometimes strong recommendations to drivers, which forces them to change the way they drive to make sure they follow whatever rules are in place at the time. Without these helpful signs, the world would probably be more accidents because drivers wouldn't know how fast they could safely go or that road work a sharp turn, a school crossing was coming up. Around 1.3 million people die on our roads every year. Without our road signs, the number would be a lot bigger. Autonomous vehicles must also follow the rules of the road, so they must be able to read and understand traffic signs. In the past, standard computer vision methods were used to find and classify traffic signs, but they required a lot of manual work to find important features in images, which took a long time. Instead, we use deep learning to make a model that reliably classifies traffic signs. How does the traffic light algorithm work? There really isn't just one algorithm. I can think of at least 4 ways they could work. A fixed timer means that each pattern light stays on for a set of amount of time before it changes to the next pattern. A timer that is controlled by another group of lights. This often happens on long city streets and it lights on both sides of an underpass for a freeway. They set up one set of lights as the master system and the others are set to cycle at the same rate, but with a delay. This is usually done on long streets so that cars going to the speed of light get a green light every time they pass the first red light in a series. In underpasses, it makes sure that if you get a green light to go into the underpass, you'll always get a green light to leave it on the other side. This keeps traffic from building up in the underpass and causing traffic jams. Some traffic lights use cameras or sensors under the road to see if there are cars waiting and shorten the length of the red light in the direction where these cars are waiting. In some big cities, there is a central traffic monitoring center where people can watch traffic through camera feeds and manually change traffic signals to unblock trouble spots. In these situations, the whole traffic light system might be run by a complicated software program that takes into account a lot of things like the amount of traffic and the time of the day. There may be other ways too, but they definitely don't all use the same algorithm if you live in New Delhi. You must drive or ride slowly and pay attention to how fast you are going. This is because there are a lot of speed and traffic cameras all over the place. Still, traffic cameras have made it easier for the people who work at the stations. Those who are guilty are often tried away, and there isn't much to argue about either. At the same time, it keeps traffic cops from getting too tired. But have you ever wondered how traffic cameras work, what they can see, and how it all fits together? To set off a chain of events, artificial intelligence companies Behind Technology, which is based in Noida, makes all and sells these systems to the government. The system automatically encrypts the information about violation and sends it to a central server in the traffic control room. The system also lets you make an e-challan with photo or video evidence, which is sent by SMS to the violator's cell phone.